Sveiki! Today I want to ask you, ar jūs turite mašiną? Ar jūs turite mašiną? Do you have a machine? No. Do you have a car? Mašina, it's a car. It can be a machine, but we use it for a car as well. We have the word automobilis, it's a car, and at the same time we use mašina as well. So mašina, it's a feminine, automobilis, it's masculine. Ar tu turi mašiną? It means, do you have a car, not a machine. If you want to say, to talk about some machines, machinery, you can use the word mašina, or we have another word for machine, it's aparatas. Aparatas. In farms, people, they have melžimo aparatą. Melžimo apparatus. Melžimo apparatus, it's a machine for milking cows. Melžimo apparatus. Photo apparatus. Photo apparatus, it's a camera. Aparatura, it's a hardware. So when we talk about cameras or sound system, we say aparatura. Aparatura. Garso aparatura. It's a sound system. Garso aparatura. Aparatura, it's a hardware. Aparatura. So, we have a word, mašina. Mostly we use it for a car and for other machines. And we have a word, apparatus and aparatura. It's when we talk about machines or about hardware. That's it for me. Iki kito karto.